Hey guys, I'm Brittany Morris, and on this Pendant Popular, we're gonna shine a light on the mixed metal pieces you love most. Mixing metal finishes in your home is a great way to add character and depth. You don't have to just choose one. Don't be afraid to combine cool finishes like silver, nickel, and steel with warm finishes like gold, bronze, and brass. So how do you find the right balance? Think about metal finishes as the color palette for your room. You choose one dominant metal finish and then one or two accents. Now, let's take a look at your favorite combinations. We've collected your most pinned pieces that feature mixed metals. The biggest style often comes in small details, and a great example of that is the Orlean side table. This round table has an iron base with a scallop pattern and is topped with black marble. In between, a ribbon of gold leaf banding adds a touch of glam. This table is light and airy and adds beautiful curves to any space. The Catalina nesting coffee table is a rustic combination of iron and copper. You've chosen this piece for its style and functionality. This table has copper-clad tops with contrasting nail heads and is supported by a slender iron base. Here's one of its best features. It's a layered table. You can either use it together as one table or pull it apart for entertaining. This next fan favorite is mixed metal and mobile. The industrial bar cart looks like you stole it from a company's mailroom. It makes a cool display for your glassware and your bartending basics. It has a dark charcoal iron base with antique nickel baskets and drawers. Plus, two tall shelves provide the perfect height for glasses, bottles, or anything you like. This bar cart will make a perfect stylish storage piece for any room. Your most pinned pieces include great lighting options, which give warmth and personality to your space. One of your favorites is the Apollo Pendant. Inspired by movie studio lighting, this modern fixture has an antique brass finish with matte black accents. You're not only using it as a single pendant, but some of you are even using it as a grouping over dining tables and kitchen islands. What a great idea. For those of you looking to make a statement with lighting, you found the right piece, the Waffler Chandelier. Glass globes placed across a bronze bar feature antique brass accents for contrast. This mid-century design has 6 lights that are perfect for use over any dining room table or kitchen island. For your final selection, you double down on mixed materials. The Marloe Chandelier combines dark antique and weathered bronze finishes plus riveted leather straps. It has 12 decorative bulbs which add a vintage element to this eye-catching chandelier. This piece is a great example how mixed materials can complement one another and create a modern and collective look. We've shown a few of your favorites, but the options of mixing finishes are endless. We want to see more of what you love most, so keep pinning your top picks.